Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter in Beehive. So let's get started. So here we are in beehive.com, and I'm currently logged in, so of course you would need to log in too. And from here, in order for you to create a newsletter, it's very simple. All you have to do is click here on the start writing button. Click on that right here, and then from here you can start building your newsletter. But before that, I suggest that you go to the settings here first and make sure everything is okay after or before you type your newsletter. It's up to you. So right here in the title, you can go for maybe sample newsletter just for this tutorial. You want to put your title right here, and you have the option to show this title in the email or not, and you have the subtitle, and you also have the option to show this in the email. And you have the authors, the guest authors, and so on right here. You even have the display date, and you can give a preview for this newsletter, or you can send tests or save this template and schedule. And you also have the email right here, and the website settings, the SEO, and the delivery settings. Now that we know that, next thing is now let's build our newsletter. So let's say the first thing that you want to do with your newsletter is add a banner right here, or maybe an image of your logo. So what you can do is type in slash, and then you would have the blocks right here, or some things that you can put in your newsletter. You can go for columns, headings, Twitter, or whatsoever right here. So you can use everything that you have right here. Let's say we want image, since we are going to be adding our logo right here. So we're going to click on upload an image. And from here, I'm just going to say this is my logo, for example. So I'm going to add that right here. So as you can see, it is now added right here. And now if you want to resize the image because it's too large, you can click on this button, options, and then you can scale down the width. And then as you can see, it would now get smaller. So that is how you do it with your image or your logos right here. And then now you can just go click here, and you can basically add a block right here. And then from here, you can add, let's say you want a block code right here. So you can enter your code right here. We serve you the best we can, maybe something like that. And then we can go click here on the variant too, and then you would have variants of your code blocks and so on right here. You can even have the quotations if you want that, and then you can also highlight the text, and this is how you can make it bold, or you can edit the right here, you can edit the color, the highlight right here, and then you can make it black as you can see, but we're just gonna go for no colors right there. And you can even go for this one, the AI writing tool, if you want that. So this is basically how you do it. And now let's say that you want to change the font, then you can just highlight the text again and click on this button, and then you can choose the family font right here that you want, for example this one right there. And you can go for the font size, or go for extra large, huge, and so on right here, even the text color if you need that. So that is basically how you do it, and you can add more of this right here. So I'm not gonna go through it one by one because it's gonna take too long, and it would just depend on which one you need right here according to your design. But this is basically how you do it. I'm just showing you the ropes on how you can create your newsletter. So that is how you make blocks and so on, and edit the settings right here. And remember that you can always click here on preview so that you would be able to see how your newsletter would look like. And you can even send tests right here. You can just input as the simulated subscribers email in order for you to get the email right here of your newsletter, and you can see it from the email itself. And you can also save this as a template if needed, if you'd want this to be a template, and you can schedule it for sending if you'd want it. Then you can also publish it now if you don't want schedule, and so on. You can input the publish date right here, and click here on review, and after that it would now be scheduled. So let's say that you are now done, and now from here what you want to do is basically edit that newsletter. So what you can do is click here on post, and then from here you can see all of your newsletters. So this is the newsletter that we've created. So I just click on that, and now I am right here in the newsletter, and click on edit post, and now I can edit the newsletter right here again. So that is basically how you do it right here. So thank you for watching.